Hello and welcome to Millionaire Mind Frequency 30 Days Attract Money Ritual Challenge. We are series of money lessons. Today is lesson number 7 where we are learning a principle abundance for all. A disclaimer, I am taking these all notes from original Sanskrit Atharva Veda and Art of Wealth, which is translated from Atharva Veda. So I'll be referring notes because I don't want to dilute the knowledge with my limited vocabulary. So there is a universal energy from which all things are made, and this energy fills the entire universe. And when you form a thought in your head, you tap into this energy and you actually create that what you think about. So your thought becomes things, and mankind has ability to create thought and cause the subject of the thought to be created with the field of universal energy. And to activate this ability, we must learn to harness our subconscious mind. That's the reason during this workshop we are coming with frequency sounds. We are verbally doing the affirmations, we are visualizing some images, and we are doing money meditations and so many exercises which will activate your subconscious mind. So we function with the conscious mind, and to create the things we thought, we need to activate this subconscious mind, and then only we can come into the harmony with the universal energy through an act of expressing gratitude. And gratitude unifies the mind with entire encompassing the universe energy. So if you want to attract abundance, the gratitude for the past, gratitude for the present, and gratitude for the future. You are no one to get it. The source, the higher power, surrender, believe, trust, and gratitude. So beyond your imaginations, we all have a natural thinking process, but most people use the incredible thinking process to create a destructive outcome. So everything that happens in your life is the result of incorrect thinking. Everything what happens in your life which you feel is not correct, it is only because of your thinking. So change your thoughts will change your feelings, and your feelings will change your actions, and you will get better results. So it is very mandatory to learn what is the law of abundance. So I am going to read it for you. Look around you. Everything is in abundance. Everything is plentiful. If you go to the beach, you will see all million grains of sand. Trees have produced fruits for millions of years in abundance. And in fact, God has produced everything in abundance. And naturally, it is very safe to assume that humans, we can also have everything in abundance. There is no scarcity, but people believe that there is a scarcity, and as a result they try very hard to fill the gap between their needs. If you ask them, most people will say many money is hard to make, or I don't have enough money, I don't have enough time. This is all your state of mind. So think with abundance and you will have abundance. Now, it's a very good calculation if the whole world's wealth is divided equally among all people. Every person would approximately have $31 million in cash. If the trees of the world were all cut down, there would be enough wood to provide every person in this world with 3,000 square feet home. The universe continues to expand outward and new galaxies are continuously being created. We, love, we live in this abundant universe in which there is sufficient money to all who really want and are willing to obey the laws governing to its acquisition. Now there is a plenty of money available to you. There is really no real shortage. You can have virtually all you really want and need. We live in a generous universe and we all are surrounded on all sides by blessings and opportunities to acquire all we truly desire. Your attitude, your either abundance or scarcity toward money will have a major impact on whether you become rich or no. So here is the first corollary. Law of abundance says people become wealthy because they decide to become wealthy. They become wealthy because they believe they have ability to become wealthy. Because they believe this completely, they act accordingly. They consistently take the necessary actions to turn their beliefs into realities, and you can always tell that your beliefs really are by looking at your actions. There is no other way. Develop the unshakable self confidence, self esteem, self worth, and become unstoppable in everything you do. So, love, joy, energy, bliss will attract the abundance. Seriousness is the biggest block in attracting the abundance. So, stay with energy and have a fantastic day ahead.